Send help. Jeffrey's been looking at leather for hours. We're never gonna leave. Jeffrey, how do you feel?
I am in heaven. I feel on top of the world. Grant, I'm starting our first vlog.
Our first vlog?
This is what you do when you vlog, right? You show people that you're making coffee for the day. Where are we headed?
We're going to Weaver.
We have hit the road, starting our day, heading up to Weaver. Corinne is driving. She's awesome. Alright, what's up y'all? We are on the road this morning, headed up to Weaver Leather. If you guys have been following on our Instagram, you'll know that we just recently got sponsored by Weaver, which is a huge blessing. Weaver is a leather craft company that supplies all things leather. My whole shop is full of different Weaver leather equipment that I use on a day-to-day basis.
I've never listened to you like how it makes so much sense how you just like stop what you're saying and then just continue like cut it.
Yeah, you can just cut it out. So it just makes a lot of sense for us, and I always use the example that Weaver is like the Nike in the leather world. They're just the best of the best, cream of the crop. But what's really cool about Weaver is a lot of their stuff is American made, heirloom quality things that are made to last forever. So a lot of their qualities and values kind of align with what we're doing at Morrison Made, handmade stuff, and just being made in America.
And it just so happens that they're only 3 hours away from it.
We're gonna go up to their main headquarters and meet all the new people that we're working with. We're gonna get a tour of their home. We're gonna get to look at a bunch of their different leather options, which is what I'm most excited about, get my hands on some of their leather.
Yeah, it's cool because since Jeffrey started this business, he does everything online through businesses. So it's gonna be fun to get to see a place where it all actually happened.
What?
East of the city.
Huh?
I don't know, I got nervous.
That'll be a good blooper.
I don't know how people do this.
It's hard. It sucks. I'm terrible at it.
And apparently it's an Amish country from what we've heard.
Yeah, in the middle of Amish country, so we're gonna see some buggies, and we have made it to the country.
This is where I want to live.
So Weaver is going to be sponsoring my videos. We're going to be doing a lot more than just that though. To start the month, Weaver has given me a discount code, Morrison10, that you can actually use at Weaver to get 10% off all your order. We're going to be doing quarterly giveaways, giving away different leathers, different pieces of equipment. That's going to be super exciting. So I think there's a lot of good things coming, and I'm super excited about it. Just feel really blessed that they want to sponsor us.
I want to ask, how does it help our customers who aren't in the leather craft community?
It doesn't.
It does though, because you can say that, you might know nothing about leather or use any Weaver products, but this sponsorship is huge for our small business.
Yeah.
And supporting our family
and just allowing us to make more and better content. With what Weaver's doing and how they're supporting us in this is going to be really good for the future of the content that we make and the life of our business. So because of that, we're really thankful, and I think it's going to be good for everybody.
And our baby.
And our baby.
You could call that part out.
At the end of the day, we're very excited, and we're gonna make the day out of this. We're gonna go up to Weaver and just have a good time, and we hope to kind of bring you guys along. First stop.
We're going to get coffee. Look how cute.
We have finally arrived. We we are going to head in and meet some new friends, go get lunch, and probably get straight into the tour. So enjoy.
So we'll meet her after this.
Awesome.
Okay, to begin, I kind of do the history of the company and go through the catalogs. If you want to take a seat up here, you won't have. Weaver started in 1973 as Freiberg Shoe Repair. Harry Weaver was my next door neighbor, and so I knew him my whole life.
Yeah, thanks for dealing with us.
No, my privilege. That'd be great.
Yeah, this is going to be super cool. So hopefully when we get this up and coming, you'll have to come back for that because it's going to be pretty sweet once we get it. So this is going to be all leathercraft stuff.
That looks so
Yeah,
cool.
it's going to be pretty cool.
So we're gonna have to move out here.
Yeah.
Okay, and then here.
This is a leather crafter's dream.
This is machinery sales and service. This is an 8-ton clicker we build right here. Now this here, on there, but you put your cutting die on here.
Yeah,
on top
I've got
of
the
leather.
4-ton.
Oh, you got the 4-ton
Yep.
right here?
Yeah, I've got both of these. The little easy edge and the
Okay,
little
yeah.
wonder.
Good deal.
Love those.
Oh, it hand sews?
Yeah.
That's what
It doesn't hand sew. It crank sews.
This is for the small
That's a dream tool.
roll punch machine.
Yeah, that thing's awesome.
We're trying to get
So this is all cowhide here. Herman Oak Tannery in St. Louis, Missouri. We get a semi-load every 4 weeks.
We know Herman Oak.
Now explain how things are laid out. Everything begins on this wall and travels in that direction. Have you heard of CrossFit?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
We make all their weightlifting.
No way.
I used to spend $40,000 a year on cutting dies, and I told Paul Weaver I want my own die shop here. And he said, well, I asked him, he said, yes. And we were making, pretty soon, we were making $30,000 worth of dies a month for our customers.
Wow. You guys make I've never bought it.
And over here's this product. Our embroidery, our Weaver shirts are done here, Weaver jackets.
Heck yeah.
And then these sub-sewing machines are put together.
That's what I love to see.
This is where it all happens. The guy who works in here and puts these machines together grew up in a taxidermy shop.
Now comes probably the most exhilarating part of the trip, my first time in the leather kingdom.
There's nothing but
This is beautiful.
Send help. Jeffrey's been looking at leather for hours. We're never gonna leave.
I'm gonna go home and I have 20 leathers written down and be like, frick, what I do with all these. Alright, we'll look at this last stuff.
How do you feel?
Way too good. We should, I should explain what I'm doing right now.
Do it.
So we are in Weaver's shipping area for all their leather, where they store every leather hide that they sell on their website. And so I just had the opportunity to go through and get my hands on every single kind of leather that they have. And I've never been able to do that before. I've bought everything online and it has just blown me away. I've already found so many, you shouldn't come here if you have a loose wallet. So I've already found so many different types of leathers and things that I want to try. It's actually blown my mind. It's really exciting.
Do we need a U-Haul truck?
We do need a U-Haul truck. We got the goods.
I'm gonna send this along for
Jason's grandpa, and this is Jason's home.
Wow. And so we just wrapped everything up and we are headed home.
After Chipotle.
After Chipotle, we're gonna go to Chipotle. It was a long day, but we had a really good time. We met a lot of really awesome people at Weaver. I think that was one of my biggest takeaways, is just how awesome the people at Weaver are. We actually got to meet the CEO. His name is Jason Weaver. I think, yeah, his grandpa started Weaver, and he's just an amazing guy, super down to earth. Had lunch with him, met a lot of really, really cool people, so that was really good. And we are super excited for our relationship and partnership with Weaver moving forward. I think we're going to be able to do a lot of fun and good stuff together.
I guess the other thing was just their values. Like they're believers.
First one is we will honor God in all we do.
They're very family oriented. They're very people oriented. They care a lot about their employees.
Second core value is we will value our employees as our most valuable asset.
And the work that they do and the quality that they put into their company.
The third one says we will ensure quality in every product.
So it was really encouraging.
So one of the things we are most excited about happening very soon is our first giveaway with Weaver. It should be happening sometime next month. And we really want to go big for this first giveaway. So we're going to hit the ground running with this. I think it's going to be really awesome. We haven't decided yet what we're giving away, but if you guys want, leave a comment below what you would like to see given away. And I think Weaver's pretty open about, what we might be giving away. So give me some ideas, what you guys think. And we'll see what happens. All in all, it was such a great trip. We had so much fun.
Yeah, thank you guys for supporting us and following along. Morrison Made has come a long way in the past 2 years, and now to sponsorships, it's really exciting. So thanks for your support. Thanks for showing your love on social media and YouTube. We really appreciate it.
We've also never done anything vlog style like this before, so we have no clue what we're doing. So we'll see if this video even works out. But it was fun. And yeah, we love y'all. Have a good one.